Dear LM parents, a very good day to all. Probably you might be thinking what this audio message is about. Let me share with you. My name is Chandni Gulati and I am a class teacher of lower KG students at Little Millennium, Sharda Nagar, Lucknow. This audio message shall give you a brief of happenings at LM Sharda Nagar of a particular month. Now onwards, you will keep on receiving these audio messages on last day of every month. Hope now you are clear about the idea. The month of April is almost over, and today on 30th April we are transmitting first ever communication via audio. Around 1.5 months ago, we had concluded the session 2015 and 16 on a very high note, along with enchanting memories of Annual Day, Umang, held on 13th December 2015, treasure hunt for LM parents and farewell dinner for our previous batch of KG2 students held on 14th February 2016, followed by group photographs and graduation day on 15th March 2016. We are thankful to you for supporting us throughout the session 2015 and 16 and expecting as same during academic session 2016 and 17. We started with our new session 2016 and 17 on 28th March 2016. Children of different age, culture and background learn the spirit of unity here at Little Millennium. As every child has a hidden talent, we help them to explore those talents and encourage them to perform better. There is one special thing would like to share. We observed whenever a new session starts, a child of upper KG looks at a child of playgroup who is coming to school for the first time and notices the discomfort which the playgroup child is facing and wonders why he is not comfortable at school, though that upper KG child had the same experience around 3 years back, and after a few days he notices the playgroup child is now comfortable and again wonders what did happen in this duration. Parents, this particular phenomena can make you understand the role of preschool in a child's life. In the month of April, we had organized an orientation program for nursery, lower KG and upper KG on 14th April and 9th April respectively. We had a nice interaction with you all. We shared the details of award of most active parent and many other important issues were discussed. Orientation program of playgroup will be organized on Saturday 7th May. Every month there are always few days of great importance. Month of April had World Health Day on 7th April, World Earth Day on 22nd April, followed by Indian festive Cheti Chand on 8th April, Baisakhi on 13th April, Ram Navami on 15th April. Birthday celebration is an important part of all the fun and frolic. Our following tiny tots had birthday in the month of April. Baby Aradhya Mishra of upper KG on 4th April, Master Amok Avasti of playgroup on 12th April, Master Vedant Srivastav of upper KG on 13th April, Master Hitansh Popli of nursery on 20th April, Master Amal N. Kef of lower KG on 28th April. A consolidated birthday for all of them will be celebrated on Monday 2nd May at school. We wish them all the very best for their future and their academic tenure at Little Millennium, Sharda Nagar. We also wish to share the name of students with maximum attendance in the month of April. From playgroup, Master Arnav Tripathi and Master Amok Avasti. From nursery, Baby Vanchika Yadav, Baby Ishani Verma and Master Samrat Sagar. From lower KG, Baby Vamika Singh. From upper KG, Master Vedant Srivastav, Baby Ragini Verma had the maximum attendance. Parents, we appreciate your efforts and encourage all of you to send your child regularly to school as it is very important for an all-around and holistic development. We have also shared a nice article on left-handedness on 15th April. Hope you have enjoyed reading it. Many new articles related to parenting are in pipeline and shall be shared on monthly basis. We have also started dance classes at school. A dance teacher with background from one of the most prominent institute, Bhat Khande Music Institute, have joined the school. Hope your child have started telling you about the dance classes. Parents, we do our level best to keep you updated regarding activities of the school through school mobile application. There were few suggestions by our parents which we would like to share. Mr. Amit Kumar Singh, father of baby Vamika Singh, student of lower KG, suggested us to provide an audio clip of rhymes so that parents could make their child learn in the same way as they are doing at school. We feel immense pleasure to let you know that an audio clip having 4 rhymes was sent to you all on 16th April. Hope it was in line with the requirement of you all. We shall further update these rhymes in the form of video so that you can make your child learn these rhymes with actions also. It will be shared shortly. We have received a suggestion from Mrs. Shambhavi Anand, mother of Master Vikhyat Anand of nursery, to provide column of midday meal intake so that parents can come to know whether their child have taken their midday meal properly. We would like to share that this has been implemented from Monday 25th onwards. Hope you have checked the revised version of Weekly Academic Planner. We invite suggestions from you because we understand we are constantly under your close watch, and any suggestion which make us to do better will surely be implemented at Little Millennium Shardanagar. Month of May is almost about to start and intensity of summer is increasing day by day. You might be waiting for the announcement of summer vacation. We wish to convey you that summer vacation shall start from Monday 16th May and will end on Friday 1st July. However, changes may happen as per local administration order. Shortly we will update you with the notice of summer camp which is expected to be scheduled from Wednesday 18th May to Tuesday 31st May. Finally, I would like to conclude the talk of this month by giving a social message and a task to you all. You might have observed a small pot at the gate of the school filled with water for birds. You have to do the same. Please put a pot filled with water at the gate of your residence or in balcony of your house for birds and animals so that they can fetch water and feel relieved from the blazing heat of the sun. Encourage your child to fill the pot with water once it is empty. You may also send picture of your child doing this deed on school WhatsApp number 7317800888. Pictures received shall be shared with all LM parents. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the talk and see you again on 31st May 2016.